Hey guys, so here's some updates. So first of all, I have some more light fixtures here I need to find a place for. I have one of those in the kitchen already, so that should go somewhere near the kitchen. And I got a ton of these, but I'm running out of spots for them. Not sure if I showed you guys, I added another torchlight lamp there, which my wife hates. But I think it's cool. I found that one at the thrift store and I wanted a place for it. And, put some light over there. So yeah, up until we got here, I put all of my spares of these on these bookshelves until we finally get around to unpacking our books. So this bookshelf has 4 of them plus 2 other little lamps. That one's permanent. I took this apart, but I still haven't taken it to storage. This bookshelf has 4 of them plus 1 other little lamp. So anything new in the kitchen? Not really. Okay. I added this little stained glass angel lamp underneath the computer desk. I always wanted to put a light lower down over there, but I didn't want something that would just light up all the wires. Found that at the thrift store. I thought that was kind of cool. It's on the switch with the rest of them. It's just stained glass in the shape of an angel with a little night light bulb behind it. And I have added more fountains. So I'm not sure what was in here last time I did a video. There's 2 here. That one has become a little noisy. I can't remember how much I said in the last video, so some of these are designed to run constantly and some are not. And the ones that are not designed to run constantly, I figured I would try them and replace them once. And then after that, I just figured if I have to replace it a second time, they're not worth it. So these 2 are both not designed to be run constantly. The turtle ones become noisy, but still works fine. That one I had to replace, but it actually wasn't its fault. Some water got into the AC adapter and it rusted out. Added this little one here with love on it. You'll see them differently with the lights on. That one's still there. Added this one here. That one's been there. Added that one. Can't remember if you've seen that one or not, the color changing one. Interestingly enough, these are the 2 that are designed to be permanent. They originally had 3 LEDs each, and the same LED died in each one. So it must be something to do with where the water runs. The water must get into where it is. If a second LED dies, I'm going to replace them. I think this lamp was here. So here, I'll do everything again with the lights on. Cool. Just a different thing in addition to all the lights and fans. Why not fountains? Okay. Well, that's my latest update. Thanks for watching.